Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chris Aqua, and on this channel I post video updates about make money online, and I also drop digital tips. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be talking about Nigerian crypto ban and how you can get your way around it. So on February 5, 2021, Nigeria Central Bank, they dropped an update directing all bank accounts to close any accounts that deal in cryptocurrency, and they also prohibit any transaction in cryptocurrencies. And this has had its adverse effects on the crypto community in Nigeria, because Nigeria is the second largest trading Bitcoin trading market in the world, with over 500 million dollars being traded in the past 5 years. So in this video tutorial, I would tell you how you can I would show you how you can buy and sell your cryptocurrency online in Nigeria. And the way to do that is called the Escrow way, or let's say P2P. They call it peer to peer. So I'm going to go ahead to explain what peer to peer is through this simple illustration. So I will just try to illustrate it as simple as possible. First, what is peer-to-peer exchange? Peer-to-peer exchange is an exchange that allows participants of a particular market to trade directly with each other without any trusted party to process all trades. Naturally or normally, some of us we trade using all these exchanges like Patricia, like Yellow Card, and the likes. But with the current update on Nigeria CBN Crypto Ban, we can no longer do that, or else our account will get shut down. So what are you going to do? You have to go through peer to peer. So this is how peer to peer works. This person on the left with dollar, let's say that is David, and this person on the right, let's say that is Shegun. David wants to buy Bitcoin from Shegun, and David has money. So David is going to put in a request in the system stating that he wants to buy a particular amount of Bitcoin from Shegun. So David, who has money, pays the money into Shegun's account. So once David orders for that Bitcoin, the account, the exchange company, or whatever website you use, they will hold that particular Bitcoin in Shegun's account. So once Shegun confirms that you pay the money, then Shegun will release the Bitcoin to David. I don't know if you understand. That is the simple way. I think that's a simple way of explaining. So like I said, this is on the left, that is David. On the right is Shegun. David has money, but he does not have Bitcoin. Shegun has Bitcoin, but he doesn't. But he needs money. Both David and Shegun, they are members of this particular website, this particular exchange. So David puts an order to Shegun, an order of BTC. So let's say David requests for 500. This is $500 in David's hand. David requests for $500 Bitcoin from. He puts the request in the system. He sees Shegun and orders from Shegun. Then once that order is made, the system automatically takes $500 worth of Bitcoin from Shegun and put it on hold. So once they put it on hold, the system directs you to pay into Shegun's bank account. So once you pay it into Shegun's bank account and Shegun confirms the payment, once he confirms the payment on the system, then the Bitcoin will be released to you. So now David will now have $500 worth of Bitcoin, and Shegun will have $500 in his account. That's the simple illustration of how peer-to-peer exchange works. So in trading, in buying and selling Bitcoin using peer-to-peer, there are some pros and cons, there are advantages and disadvantages. So one of the advantages is that it is cheap to operate. You don't have to pay anybody and stuff like that. Also, privacy matters a lot. privacy matters a lot, and that is one of the pros of peer-to-peer exchanges. Then the security of your fund also matters, and peer-to-peer exchanges, they don't hold bitcoins for their users. They only connect traders and allow them to conduct their deals directly. So you don't have to trust your coin to any third party, and this makes it safer to process. And if nobody holds your funds but you, then nobody can steal your funds, and nobody can lose them intentionally or accidentally. And the last one out of the many is the transaction regulation resistance. Transaction regulation resistance. And what do I mean by this transaction regulation resistance? Normally, all regular cryptocurrency exchanges are run by people, and these people are vulnerable. They can be exploited by the government. The government can impose regulatory restrictions on them. One of the cases is the recent intervention by the People's Bank of China that led to two of the largest exchanges in China freezing all the Bitcoin withdrawals for a month. You can go and check that online to confirm, and you don't want that as a user to happen to your account. But on P2P, the exchanges is practically the exchanges are practically, they are not vulnerable, so the government cannot interfere and stuff like that. However, due to the every advantage also have their own disadvantage. So there are some cons about peer-to-peer trading, and I listed some of it. And these are some of the cons: less intuitive use cases, longer time to trade, lower liquidity, and human error and stuff like that. So I'll try and explain this in brief. So the longer time to trade, it's a disadvantage, because you have to wait for the other party to complete their end of the transaction before you receive money and stuff like that. So it is a little bit longer. When you are using peer-to-peer, unlike your normal exchange. Once you apply, the money is already in your account and stuff like that. Also, human error on the exchange. I explained before that when you are trading, when you are exchanging, you put in an order for a particular amount of Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin is being held by the exchange. So now, what will now happen when you confirm that you've paid and you did not pay? Once you confirm that you've paid and you did not pay, the person selling the BTC to the person selling the BTC does not see the money, and you are sending the money already said, you have sent the money. How will this be resolved? Okay, there are ways by which it can get resolved, but this type of errors are what is common. They are common in peer-to-peer exchange. Your bank might even decide to misbehave, and they would have debited you, but it won't have reflected on the trader's account. So those are also one of the errors that you can get on peer-to-peer exchange. So how do you prevent fraud and stuff like that? So to prevent fraud on peer-to-peer exchange, they ensure that they hold BTC. So once you make an order for BTC, you are supposed to pay within a time frame to the person selling the Bitcoin or whatever cryptocurrency you are using. You are supposed to pay. So once you pay and the person sees it, he receives the payment, then you can now go ahead to release the Bitcoin to you. However, the Bitcoin that was held, the trader cannot use it for anything. The trader cannot use it. It will just be held there. You see all these things after I go through a live sell trade on one of the cryptocurrency exchange. You see it clearly and you would understand it better. So those are one of the ways. And once if you did not pay the Bitcoin seller, the cryptocurrency seller and you claim that you have paid, the cryptocurrency seller can now file a dispute. So once they file a dispute or a complaint, the exchange will now come and intervene, hearing both sides, going through your bank record and stuff like that, and whoever is found defaulting will be banned from the cryptocurrency exchange forever. So that's how they settle disputes on peer-to-peer exchanges. So guys, I'll be using the Binance peer-to-peer exchange for this tutorial. So this is Binance. If you don't have an account on Binance yet, there's a link in the description below. Ensure you use that link to open an account. Once you open an account and you verify it, you can now come to trade. So what I'll be using is the peer-to-peer trading. So this is the Binance app, and I'll guide you through what you are going to do. So first of all, you need to click on the wallet button at this bottom. This bottom right. That's wallet. So once you click on the wallet button at the bottom right, you see a list of wallets which you can use. So the bottom right is around here, so you see it, and once you click there, you see list of wallets you can use. You see an overview, you see spots, you see margin, you see futures, and you see P2P. So it is the P2P that we are interested in. P2P, that's where the buying and the selling occurs. So as you can see, these are lists of coins you can trade online. There are lots of coins you can trade. You can see this is the buy, this is the sell, and the like. So if you want to sell your coin on this P2P market, the first thing you are going to do is you are going to get the coin. If you are transferring from another cryptocurrency exchange like Yellow Card, or you are transferring from any cryptocurrency exchange, what you first do is you go to your spot wallet. So once you click on that wallet, that's the one at the top, at the bottom right corner. This is the app, or if you are using a desktop, just look for wallets. So once you search wallet, you go to overview. This is overview at the top left. As you can see, this is my portfolio. Then you go to spot. So you go to spot wallet. I mean, don't mind intonation. So this is spot wallet. So once you go to spot wallet, you click on deposit. So you click on deposit. So once you click on deposit, it takes you to this particular page where you have to search for the wallet you want to use. In my case, it is BTC. You can see list of coins here. So you click on BTC. Once you click on BTC, it will bring you to this. So all you need to do now is just to click on copy address. So once you click on copy address, so this is the address that you are going to copy. This is the address that you are going to copy. This address here is the one that you are going to copy. So once you copy it, you send BTC to the address. Ensure that you are not sending to ERC20 or BP or BP2. This is the address that you are going to be sending to BTC. So once you send there and it is successful, it will reflect in your spot wallet. So it will reflect in your spot wallet. So right now I have 0.03 Ethereum and I have 0.0101 BTC. So now if I want to sell these coins, what I need to do is to first get money to the P2P. As you can see, I don't have any balance here on the P2P exchange. I don't have any balance here. So what I need to do is come to this spot wallet or come to overview. Once I click on overview, I click on transfer. So I click on transfer. Once I click on transfer, it will take me to where I can transfer some coins. So I would have to transfer some coin from my sports wallet to peer-to-peer wallet. As you can see, this is it. So you can click on BTC to change the particular currency or coins that you want to transfer. So once you click on it, you bring a drop down of coins you want to transfer, if it is Ethereum and the likes. So once in my case, I'm transferring BTC, so it's going to tell me to click on amount. So if I want to transfer all my amount from spot wallet to peer-to-peer, I just click on this max. So I click on max, but I'm not planning on transferring all my coin. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to transfer 0.005 BTC. So I'm going to transfer 0.005 BTC. So once I do that, I just click on transfer. So you can see it's showing me you have successfully transferred your asset to your P2P wallet. So I can start trading now. So I can just click on P2P trading straight away. You can see I can click on P2P trading straight away. Or if I don't want to do that, okay, I can just click on wallet. As you can see, this is wallet, this is general overview. When I click on spot wallet, you can see I had $200 plus. It is now $298 because the other money has been transferred to my P2P wallet, as you can see. So once I do that, I can just click on P2P trading. Once I click on P2P trading, it brings me here. So you can see options of trades you can enter. You can see USDT, BTC, BUSD, BNB, ETH, NGN, and list of all other coins. And also take note, this is the buy section in white, and this is the sell section in black. So once you want to change it, you want to go to sell. That means you want to sell, then you have to click on sell. So you can see the sell is in white and the buy is in black. So you have to be careful here. As you can see, these are list of sellers and these are payment method they accept. So you can see once you click on one, you see enter quantity, select paying method. So yeah, as a new user, this is what you first do. When you get to this P2P interface, you click on these three dot like this ellipsis sign at the top right corner. There you add your payment method. So that's where you add your payment method. You click on payment method. Once you do that, you click on payment method. So once you click on payment method, it takes you to the interface where you add a payment method. So you click on add a payment method. So Nigerian fiat balance or bank transfer. So since you want to be selling, since I want to be selling, I want to be receiving money to my bank account, I click on bank transfer. So this is where I set up all my bank details. So I'm just going to go ahead to set it up, and once I set it up, I just go back to the peer-to-peer trading interface. So what you do now is once you're on the exchange, you click on either buy or sell, either buy or sell, depending on the type of transaction that you want to do. So and you have to also click on the particular coin. Are you buying USDT, or you are buying BTC, or you are buying BUSD or ETH or BNB, what have you? You just have to click one. But first you need to separate this. You need to separate these pairs. You need to separate these pairs from this action buy and sell. So once you dictate the action, then you can decide the pairs. Like you can decide the cryptocurrency you want to sell or you want to buy. So I'm going to be selling my Bitcoin. So I clicked on sell, then I clicked on BTC right below it. So these are lists of people that are selling. I can see the number of trades. This one trade, I'm not interested. This one 46 trade. This Shogi 435 trades. Victory, even verified 216 trade, 70%. So this is it. So if you want to filter if you want to filter the amount you want to sell, you can see the filter button here. You can see the filter button there. So you just click on filter. So it's going to show you, okay, how much are you selling your like the range. So I'm just going to click on 90,000 naira. And what type of payment do I want to use? Bank transfer. So once I do that, I just click on yes. So if it filters, as you can see, so these are people that are willing to buy my coin, my cryptocurrency. So you can see this is Elin Abi, and these are limits 50k to 1 million naira. Sell. Okay, you can see this one too, 23,367 977. His name is Alpha Trade. He has traded 1,568 trades so far. So I can decide to go for Elena. So let me click on Elena and see. Okay, it has been updated, so I have to refresh. So once I refresh, okay, Alpha Trade is now at the top. So I click on Alpha Trades. As you can see, payments is within 45 minutes. Kuda Bank, cheaper cash, bank transfer. So all I need to do is click on the amount of BTC I want to. Okay, I can click on all to sell all my BTC, and the worth of the BTC I'm going to be selling is 116,000 naira, of which I'm not interested in selling 116,000 naira. So let me just click on, okay, let me click on, am I selling all? Okay, let me just sell all my BTC. So once I sell, let me click on all, select payment method, Kuda Bank. So I'm selling to Kuda Bank, then I click on sell BTC. So once I do that, I click on sell BTC. So once I click on sell BTC, so you can see it's saying pending buyers payments. So I'm going to receive payment within 45 minutes. So as you can see, this is the payment method I input, 11,27320, Kuda Microfinance Bank, identity verified, and the likes. So this is the order number. This is the buyer's real name, the person that is buying my coin, Stephen Okechi Eiriodo. So this is the order number. So I'll keep refreshing my bank account. So once the money is in my bank account, I can go ahead and click on receive just below here. But once I do not receive the money, I just click on appeal. But until this 15 minutes time lapses, that is when I can see this appeal button pop up. So that is just the time Binance gives every transaction to get processed. So if I don't receive the money, I can just easily appeal, then Binance will look into the issue for us. So this is where you need to be careful. Do not release money. So do not release any money unless do not release your Bitcoin. Not confirm receipt of your Bitcoin unless you've received the money in your bank account. You need to be very careful, and that's where one of the cons of trading with P2P, that's where one of the con lies. So that's one of the disadvantages. So I'll keep on waiting. So while waiting, at the top right corner you see two icons. You see the message icon and you see the call icon. You can decide to message or call the buyer. So I'll just click on message. The buyer already dropped me a message. Hello, I'll be with you shortly. So I'll just wait, and if you cannot wait, just go ahead to put a call through. So that's the buyer's number. Then you put a call through and everything will be done. Once he sends the money and you confirm, then the money will be released into the buyer's the Bitcoin here that you want to sell will be released into the buyer's account. So after some minutes of waiting, about 45 minutes or so, the buyer has already the merchant has already paid. As you can see, it has been paid to my account. So all I need to do now is just to, since I've confirmed the payment, ensure that you didn't confirm it just with text message. Ensure that you are using your app. Ensure that you are using your app, your bank app, to confirm, because there are a lot of transfer scams these days. So once I've done that, all I need to do is confirm receipt. So you click on I have confirmed receipt. So when you click on I have confirmed receipt, you click on confirm. Ensure that you have received the money before you click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, so I authenticate. So once you do that and you confirm, to click on it to say order completed. So I went to check the message. I said paid, thanks for waiting. So here I've released the assets and the buyer will receive the BTC soon. So that is how to sell your Bitcoin on this platform. So if I move back to you can see my peer-to-peer account now has 0.0000 BTC, and my sports account, like wallet, has 300 BTC. I think BTC just the worth for BTC just increased. So that is how to sell on BTC. So if you want to buy BTC, you still have to go to that same wallet, peer-to-peer, then peer-to-peer trading, then you click on buy, then you click on BTC or whichever currency you want to exchange. So you can see list of buyers here. So let's say I want to buy which cryptocurrency can we use? Okay, let's say I want to buy how much. Let's say 5,000 naira. What payments? Yes. So it's going to refresh. These are a list of buyers. You can see this one 720 trades, bank transfer. So I click on it. I click on his account. So by cash, enter amount. But before that, you can check the traders info and stuff like that. So let me click on 5,000 naira. Then click on buy BTC. So you can see pending payment. I have just 15 minutes to pay. It's a payment method. So I click on OK. I got it. It's a payment method. You can see bank transfer. So here it says for a successful transaction do not enter crypto related terms. So whenever you are sending Bitcoin, don't enter anything cryptocurrency, because the bank accounts can flag the user, and like I said, the central bank of Nigeria has banned cryptocurrency exchange. So I click on OK. So I'm going to transfer to this particular account. So once I click on this buy order, the BTC has already been taken from, it has already been held from the buyer's should I say buyer or seller, okay, from the merchant's account. So the person cannot use the BTC. It is in the escrow's account for now. It will still be displaying on this particular person's account, but the person cannot use it, cannot do anything with it until this transaction is completed. So I go ahead to transfer the money to this particular person, and once I confirm transfer, the coin will be released to me. So, and when you are buying, please ensure that the name correlates, the name on the account correlates with the name of the bank. Please ensure that the name of the account correlates with the name of the bank, so that you won't put yourself in trouble. So I've sent the payment and I clicked on the transfer next. So I clicked on the transfer fund, I click on transfer next. So once I've done that, you can see it says deposited into your wallet 0.0020606 BTC has been deposited into my wallet, and I click on done. So the order is complete. So that is how to buy and sell cryptocurrency here using the Binance peer-to-peer. So if I go back to check my balance, it will clearly reflect. So as you can see, this is it, peer-to-peer trading. This is my account. So I can decide to transfer it back to spot. So I can transfer back to spot. So I just come to overview, click on transfer from spot to P2P. So this is exactly how to do things in general. So don't forget the step. If you want to receive BTC from another exchange to Binance, all you need to do is come to your spot wallet, click on transfer. So once you come to your spot wallet, you click on transfer. As you click on transfer, sorry, I meant deposit. Click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, you click on BTC. Once you click on BTC, you copy this address and transfer money into it. Then once you want to trade, you transfer the money from your BTC, from your spot wallet. Transfer the money from your spot wallet, then transfer it to your P2P wallet and trade. So thank you very much, guys, for staying with me up to this moment. If this video has served value to you, please ensure you subscribe for more contents like this and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop video updates about cryptocurrencies, you will get to see it first. So till next time, bye.